going on YouTube? It's Nikki the Bombshell Bride, and we are at Disneyland for my bridal party. Sister. That was really big. She's very excited. Also, she's brand new here, and we keep having to tell her, no, you don't do that. That's your no. And we tell everybody she's new, and she hates it, but it's kind of my favorite thing. Yeah. Gotta tell everyone we talk to. But we are here at Disneyland for my bridal shower. So far, we have hit a couple stores, obviously. All up to ears. Look at, she's like conchas.
Mine are in my bag.
There was an ear incident.
There was an incident.
Ears went down.
About it.
It was rough, but a very kind stranger with freakishly long arms helped us out. So thank you, kind stranger. We appreciate you. But we are gonna walk around and we'll update you later. What are we doing, Jesse?
We are rubbing the lamp.
Dirty.
Yeah, we are.
This is the most risque part of your bachelorette thus far.
I mean, the pretty phallic. Oh, that's pretty risky. Try the front. Do you have to push something? Oh, it's happening.
Hello, Saeed. Love for Magic Lamp and your future baby reveal.
Rub.
Right. There you are.
Oh, there we go.
You are going to become so famous.
Oh, famous.
Meeting and greeting world leaders. I see them shaking your hand and praising you, saying how great your Danish is.
Oh, my Danish. Oh.
You're going to be the king of Denmark.
I don't want to be the king of Denmark.
Do you want to be the queen?
You're not going to be the king of Denmark. You are going to make Danish taste.
Danish.
That sounds about right.
Listen, if you make deliverance, could you drop some Danish inside the left?
No, I don't like my fortune.
Salam, my friend. See you later.
I mean, you are wearing concha ears.
Oh! That might be.
Oh, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
All right. Oh, yes, please. Someone take a bite.
Volunteer distributed.
quick check-in. I realized I checked in first when we got here, and then I just kind of disappeared. And I just kind of shot random stuff. So, a couple drinks deep now. Feeling really good. Woo! Jessie's also feeling... Oh, apparently you don't want to look at Jessie. Sorry. She's also feeling really good. No, my camera like wouldn't focus on you. It was like, nope. Anyway, so it has been a great bachelorette party so far. Whoop, whoop. I have the best bridesmaids. My other bridesmaid is my oldest daughter. She could not come with us today. School. Wah wah. Sucks being 12 sometimes. Still love her though. So we're gonna continue drinking and continue the Disneyland joy. It's been a really good day. I'm really lucky. I'm a happy girl. Bombshell bride. She's loving life right now. Also, when people ask me, they're like, how many more days? And I'm like, 18. And they're like, oh God. And also, when are we supposed to throw a bachelorette party? Is it supposed to be like right before your wedding? Very confused by that. Please someone tell me when you're supposed to do so. Because now I'm confused. Also, feeling really good. Anyways, more debauchery to come. Alright, YouTube, that is a wrap for my bachelorette party. We are beat, but we had a wonderful day. Whoop, whoop. Thank you so much to my amazing bridesmaids. I don't know, not on my face. Oh, it's not. It's all, like, you're very aggressive, DJ. Anyway, thank you so much for joining us on this really fun journey. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. Now we're going to drive home and pass the fuck out because it's really late and I want my bed and I want sleepies. I want the sleepies. Alright, thanks again, guys. Stay safe, stay sassy, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Stop following me. Oh, that's the window.
To the
I
wall.
can show you the world, just not other people's faces.